Good morning, student. Today we will prove a beautiful theorem of geometry, Euclidean geometry in Euclid, which is area of any triangle is r into s, where r is the incircle radius and s is the half of the perimeter. So you are watching, you will love math for beautiful mathematics and problem solving learning and with good concept. So let's draw a triangle first. Okay, let's draw a triangle first, then we will proceed accordingly. Okay, so I am drawing a scalene triangle basically, so that it will be easier to understand. Okay, so and draw a circle in it, okay. So let's try to draw a circle like that. That image will be like that. Okay, is it fine? Okay, so now it is it is let name it A, B and C, and here let it is center, and it is R, it is R, and it is R only. Understand? So it is perpendicular, so wait, let it draw carefully. Okay, so it is R. Fine. So net it is M N P. Fine. So how can we solve that problem? For that we will draw a line segment on that to make it triangle, three triangles. Okay, sorry, to make a triangles. Okay, so join, let the point be O, so join AO sorry, okay, so this is O. Okay, fine. So now what we are getting, basically triangle ABO plus triangle BOC plus triangle AOC equals to the area of triangle ABC. Is it fine? Because this triangle, and this triangle, the area of that triangle will be exactly area of ABC. So what will be the area of ABO? Area of ABO will be half into R into AB. Okay, so we can denote opposite of angle A equals to A, opposite of angle B equals to B, opposite of angle C equals to C. So we can write from here half into R into A. For triangle BOC, what we are getting? Half into R into BC, that means half into R into ABO. Sorry, one thing. For ABO, half into ABO, half into R into AB. AB is basically C. Sorry, one thing. a mistake. So half into R into C, and for BOC we are getting half into R into BC, that means half into R into A. And for triangle AOC we are getting half into R into AC, that means half into R into B. Fine. So what will be the total area? The total area will be, if we sum all three, then the total area will be, we can take common half into R into C plus half into R into A plus half into R into B. Fine. So we can take common half into R. So what will be the thing? C plus A plus B. Is it? So we know that A plus B plus C equals to 2S. The total perimeter. Fine. So we can cancel out 2. So R into S is proved. A beautiful theorem of mathematics is proved here. So keep watching. You will love math for better mathematics knowledge, better mathematics problem solving. Thank you.